Your gorgeous Mayview sofa and love seat have arrived. Now it's time to get them assembled in 6 simple steps. Let's begin. First, be sure you have all the included parts, pieces, and tools. Start with the left and right arms. Twist in the wooden legs. You'll notice 2 holes pre-drilled inside each arm. Insert the bolts into those holes. Now hook the front panel onto the bolts. Tighten with the Allen key. Twist in the support leg and the plastic washer to the bottom of the seat base. Use the L brackets to place the seat base into the sockets. Now secure the seat base to the arms by placing the screws into the L brackets. Slide the back panel into the arms using the connector. Then pull down the loose fabric on the back panel and attach it to the adhesive black strips. Go ahead and place the seat cushion and back cushions to complete the love seat and sofa setup. Now, the only thing left is to pop some popcorn and relax to your favorite show.
Learn more and shop our full collection of Mayview products on Walmart.com.